Hello, I'm Ravi from Matescium YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a mind-blowing experiment with this soft tissue paper. I'm going to convert this soft tissue paper into solid rock and let's see how much harder it is. Taking some tissue papers that is going to be turned to solid object into hydraulic press. I have a pressing die that I normally use to create pellets from powder materials, especially when I make solid thin film cathode target materials for pulsed laser deposition. I used that time this pressing die. I have some other videos about making how to make thin film batteries. You can have a look. But now this pressing die will help me to turn the soft tissue paper into solid rock, so-called paper roll to solid rock. The whole video might be shaky, I'm sorry for that, because I hold my camera by one hand and other hand is used to do this experiment. Anyways, I'm sorry for it. I need methanol, this is so-called CH3OH, along with the tissue paper. Leave few drops of methanol onto the tissue paper for make it wet. That helps me to push it into the pressing die. Now pushing the tissue paper into pressing die, pushing more and more papers as long as it gets full. Leaving few drops of methanol again and press it by the pushing rod to get it the more space. As long as it gets full, take it for the hydraulic press. That will help to convert the soft tissue paper into solid rock. Now I am going to apply around 60 kN force on it, and that will make the tissue paper into solid rock. This high amount of force will compel the tissue paper's molecule come close to each other to make a tight bonding relationship that result in solid rock. Well, now take it out. As you can see, a small solid pellet. It is difficult to take it out by the hand. I will get help from hydraulic press to bring it out. And this tablet shaped pellet is our tissue paper that is converted into solid object. It is extremely hard, really extremely hard. I cannot break it by hand. Question is how much hard it is. I have a very sharp knife with me and I will try to cut it and see how much deep I can cut it. So let me try. it's cut almost halfly. It's cut almost full or more than halfly, and I'm trying to out. It's very hard. It's really hard. Oh no. Oh no. It's damaged my knife. You see this part if you see, look at very close here, it's damaged my knife. Oh no, I didn't expect it might be that much harder. It is very hard. I didn't expect it might be this much harder. It's really harder. Paper roll rock stone, I would like to say. This is subjected to further investigation how much hard it is. So I have lab facilities in my university, and I would like to test it how much hard it is. For that reason, I will go to lab and I will show you how much harder it is. Finally, I have done hardness test by Vickers hardness tester. Unfortunately, I cannot show the video during the hardness test because this lab don't allow any kind of equipment including a smartphone outside of the lab. For that reason, I cannot show you the video. Anyways, I got my data and plot it into the origin file and see the result. I used a alpha brass metal to compare it. Normally, brass is a metallic alloy that is made of copper and zinc. Hardness of alpha brass is almost 150 according to the Vickers hardness test, and I did it. And next to it is my converted rock from tissue paper, and surprisingly its hardness is 135. I pretty surprised. 135, this is pretty high amount of hardness test. That means it's as hard as steel materials. It really surprised me. Thanks for watching these videos. I hope you enjoy these videos, and see you in the next time. Bye bye.